Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Today I am going to do the verb tun. Tun means to do. There are so many sentences in which we use the verb tun. So let's begin with the video. Es tut mir wirklich leid. The verb is tun. The third person tut. Es tut mir wirklich leid. I am extremely sorry. Es tut mir schrecklich leid. I am very sorry. The verb is tun and we use es tut. This is the phrase, this is the structure we always say whenever you apologize. You say sorry to someone for something. Es tut mir leid. Leid tun. It's a separable. Leid tun. Es tut mir schrecklich leid. I am extremely sorry. Es tut mir schrecklich leid. I am extremely sorry. I am very sorry. Next uses gefallen tun, to do a favor. Can you do me a favor? Können Sie mir einen Gefallen tun? Können Sie mir einen Gefallen tun? With modal verb, it will be written at the last position in infinitive form. Can you do me a favor? Einen Gefallen tun. You can use it as it is. Another structure with the separable verb weh tun, to get hurt, to get injury, to get hurt. Mir tut der Kopf weh means my head is paining or I have headache. Mir tut der Kopf weh. Weh tun, dative verb. Subject is dative. Person is dative. Indirect dative object which is always a person. Meinem Vater tut der Körper weh. My father is having problem. His body is aching. Ache, pain. Meinem Vater tut der Körper weh. Body part nominative, person is dative. Der Frau tut die Hand weh. Der Frau tut die Hand weh. Okay? She has problem in the hand. Maybe her hand is getting hurt. Der Opa tut das Auge weh. One eye, das Auge weh. Dem Vater tut der Finger weh. Dem Vater tut der Finger weh. The father is getting hurt in the finger. He is having pain. So weh tun, weh tut. If the body part is plural, like meine Augen tun weh, the verb tun for plural, we conjugate with the body part in this sentence. Meine Augen tun weh. Meine Beine tun weh. My legs are paining. Beine, die Beine. Meine Beine tun weh. Meine Augen tun weh. My eyes are hurting. My legs are paining. Okay? I have problem. Pain. To get hurt. This is another use of the verb tun. Weh tun. First is to say sorry. Second, to ask for a favor. And third, when you get hurt. Your body part. Use the body part and make the sentence. It is dative sentence. So, weh tun. Third person, weh tut. And the question is, was tut dir weh? What is hurting you? Was tut dir or ihnen weh? Mir tut der Kopf weh. I am getting hurt in the head. Or my head is paining. Mir tut der Kopf weh. Another type of question, wem tut der Kopf weh? Who is getting hurt? It's me. Mir tut der Kopf weh. Wem and was. These are the two question words that we use with the verb weh tun. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.